Well, I'm back. It has been a while. and I'm sorry I haven't made any videos. Whoa, I'm being super shaky. I'm not even used to filming. I need to set my phone down here. I'm sorry I haven't made any videos. I just graduated, but while I was in school, I totally had to focus on things and focus on graduating. So I really didn't have much time to shoot anything, even though I did work on my car a little bit. I think on the previous updates, I had been doing some different things. There's been a few changes. I decided I'm just gonna go with the Holley Terminator X for the ECU, and the fuel system's nearly done, but the car still has a long way to go. So I just wanted to make a quick update, kind of like what's been going on, what happened. It's pretty funny. I bought a roller Camaro, built it, sold it, everything like that, and I didn't film any of it. So that kind of sucks. That would have been nice to show. Like, I just put a 5.3 in it, but that would have been really cool to show like different projects, kind of like when I did that with the Lightning. But I didn't film any of it, so it's, I guess, your loss and my loss for not doing that. But the Mustang is moving forward. So things are pretty similar to before. I have a Trailblazer SS intake with a War throttle body, Holley fuel rails, and the fuel system's coming together. You can see here's my regulator, these are the lines, and then I have the return going back to the car. I'm still working on it, but it's getting close to completion. I need to order some more AN lines, but I have my fuel pump for now. I'm just using this one. I'll probably double up on this when I actually want to make some more power. But the goal has just been to finish the car for now and get it running and driving. So this will provide enough fuel for that goal. The actual turbo kit's pretty much the same, minus this. I just welded this today. I got this from Stainless Bros. All the pie cuts came like nicely packaged, and then I just welded them together. So it was actually really nice how they came. They're actually completely clean. I still wiped them down with acetone, but nothing came out. And yeah, I didn't back purge it, but I used flux on the back, so the back of these welds look pretty decent. The only time I didn't use flux was when I was tacking things together. But yeah. So that should clear. I'm doing a remote water pump. I'm gonna have to use these low profile things so it doesn't interfere, but I don't think I'm really gonna have that much of an issue. Looks like I'll have plenty of clearance even with this reducer. This is a 4-inch pipe. The discharge a 5-inch, but I mean, these exhaust pipes are 2.5. So this is still more area than these two combined. So I don't think I'm gonna really have an issue with that. I tried doing a 5-inch pipe. There's just really not enough room. I think I'd have to move the turbo forward, which if you look, and not really having much room to do that, because this flange is already hitting. I could rotate it, but I'm still not really gaining that much room to fit a 5-inch pie cut pipe. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. That intake's brand new. It looks pretty good. And the alternator is going to be the only accessory I'm running, so it's pretty nice. This was only $60. I think it's ICT, billet, and you do have to drill this hole on the iron blocks because it's not here, but it's still really nice. It's just going to be very low profile and kind of have everything out of the way. And I'll do a remote water pump. You can see I have some fittings here. I need to pay. My roommate gave me these, and I need to pay him back for them. But that'll be worked on next month. The other thing I wanted to show was the fuel system. I made a cool little nifty thing, and here's the kind of cage thing that's going to hold the fuel cell. So I plasma cut this with a plasma cutter I made this year. And so yeah, this is how it goes in the trunk. So I'll have to put a cover over this, but the fuel cell just sits right in there. I'll have to weld some tabs and everything, but yeah, It's mild steel, so it is a little bit heavy. It's like 30 pounds in total with the fuel cell, but that's not really the end of the world. I lost a little bit of weight when I cut out this what is it, where the spare wheel was held. But it's also weight where I want it in the back of the car. Speaking of the plasma table, I'm only gonna have this for a couple more weeks and then it's going out. We built this as a senior design project, and it's functional. Yeah, you can see I've been cutting out some things. I actually cut out, like I said, that fuel cell holder there. I don't know, I don't really have that many uses for it, but if you guys want a video on this and kind of like how it works or how I set things up, let me know. It's a little bit of a mess right now. I just have it stored here, but I made the control box myself, and learned a lot through this project. Learned a lot about fabricating and what not to do and what to do, but it's kind of cool to have. I'm ready to get rid of it because I'm gonna get paid for it, so. Anyways, yeah, I'm sorry I haven't really made any videos. I appreciate you guys that have been watching and following. I know it's only a few of you guys now just because it's been so long, but I'm really hoping before May to have the engine started up, and then by mid-May have the car running and driving. I don't know if I'll be able to go to the racetrack with it, but I'm really trying to work towards finishing this project now. So anyways, thanks for watching. I'll update you guys in about a month or so. So peace out. I'm out.